Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you chess tactics for beginner level player, intermediate player, and advanced level players. Okay, you can see until finish this video. Okay, this particular tactics rated 1410. This is very famous red. Okay, you can see how to handle this match. Okay, first move is white and how to white win the king. Okay, you can see here first move is you can see here first move is the bishop go to this bishop, go to cut this bishop, then this knight cut the bishop, then this knight take this bishop. Okay, you can see how to handle this match. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is bishop go to there, cut the bishop. Why the bishop? A6. Okay, bishop takes A6, then knight take A6, then knight take E3. Okay, that's it. Now you can see here, white has so many pieces, that's why easily win the game white. Okay, white has 2 rook, 2 knight, 5 pawn, a quick king. Black has 6 pawn, 2 rook, a knight, and a king. This is the tactic video. Okay, let's go to the second tactic. Okay, you can watch and finish this video. I am telling again and again, these tactics improve your chess talent. If you want to play chess, you can play your chessboard this pattern. Okay, you can put the pieces on the your outside chessboard and put the pieces there and move correctly. Watching this one and move correctly, then you can easily understand. Okay, let's go to the tactic 2. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is tactic 2. This is very card tactics. You can see how to white win the game. I am going to teach you deeply and smartly. Please watch and finish this video. Okay. First move is white and white need to play white playing queen. You can see queen take the rook, then beautiful check here. You can see here, I am going to teach you, I am going to show you. Okay, this queen attack here, check. In the same time, this rook attack this rook. Okay, then easily cut the rook. Why the black rook, white rook? Okay, we can go to the moves. Another move, black chain. Black played queen. Queen, cut the queen. Why the queen? Then cut the rook. Why the rook? Cut the queen. Why the bishop? Then easily take the beautiful rook. That's it. This is very interesting tactics. That's why this game ended. Okay, if you see here, white has so many pieces, black has little bit pieces. That's why this game easily win the game. What? Because white has 6 pawn, a rook, a bishop. Black has 7 pawn, a bishop and a king. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go to the third puzzles. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is tactic 3. Okay. In this particular chess game, white has so many pieces, black has less pieces. Okay? You can think deeply and smartly, because in this particular chess game, black win the game. You can see how to black win the game. Okay. Now black turn now. Black move, how to move black. Okay, you can see here how to move black. Black played d1. Okay, black get the new queen. Then you can see here how to handle this much white pieces. White plays push the pawn to f6. Okay, this wrap for this tactic for black. Okay, black win the game. Now you can see here white has so many idea. That's why white played like this. White queen come to here and beautiful checkmate. That's why black need to block the checkmate. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, now you can see here how to block the checkmate. I think queen go to f8. Now white cannot make a checkmate. Only cut the queen pawn. Why the queen? Now check. Then black pieces. Black played amazingly now. Black go to here in h8. Then easily win the game black, because black has 2 queen and 5 pawn. White has 6 pawn and a bishop and a queen. Total this game, white cannot win easily, black win easily, 100% black win easily. Okay, thank you so much for this watching video. Okay, bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this particular chess game. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.